Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. We will take you on an enchanting journey of friendship and imagination. Find a comfortable spot to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Today, we embark on an exciting adventure of connecting with a pen pal. Someone who will become a cherished companion through the art of letter writing. Are you ready to explore the magic of written words and forge a meaningful connection? Let's begin. Imagine yourself in a peaceful and cozy space, surrounded by paper, pens, and colorful envelopes. This is your special writing area, a place where you can let your imagination soar and express your thoughts and feelings. Take a moment to appreciate the quiet ambience and the blank canvas that awaits your words. As you settle into this space, envision a pen pal appearing before you. This pen pal may be someone you already know or someone you have yet to meet. They radiate warmth and kindness, eager to embark on this journey of friendship with you. Now, imagine picking up a pen and a piece of paper. Feel the smoothness of the pen against your fingertips and the texture of the paper as you place it on the table. As you begin to write, let your thoughts and emotions flow freely onto the page. Express your hopes, dreams, and everyday experiences, knowing that your pen pal will receive your words with open arms. As you write, visualize your words transforming into beams of light, traveling through space and time to reach your pen pal. Envision their delight as they receive your letter and read your heartfelt words. Feel the connection and excitement building between you, even though you may be miles apart. Now, imagine receiving a letter in return. Hold the envelope in your hands, feeling a sense of anticipation and joy. Gently open it and unfold the paper, allowing the words to come alive before your eyes. As you read, let the essence of your pen pal's thoughts and feelings fill your heart, connecting you in a profound way. Embrace the joy of this correspondence as you continue exchanging letters with your pen pal. With each letter, the bond between you grows stronger, bridging the distance and nurturing a unique friendship. Cherish the moments of connection and the shared experiences that unfold through your written words. Take a moment to express gratitude for this magical pen-pal connection, for the opportunity to share your thoughts and feelings with someone who truly listens and understands. Feel a sense of gratitude for the art of letter writing and the power it holds to foster meaningful connections. Take a moment to imagine the adventures you can share with your pen pal. Envision exploring new places, discovering hidden treasures, and experiencing exciting moments together, all through the power of your words. Whether it's describing your favorite activities, sharing stories of triumphs and challenges, or even creating imaginative tales, let your mind wander to the endless possibilities of your pen-pal connection. As you continue your pen-pal journey, imagine the anticipation that builds with each letter you receive. Feel the excitement as you hold the envelope in your hands, wondering what stories, thoughts, and surprises await you inside. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the moment of opening the letter, savoring the connection it brings. As the letters flow back and forth, notice how the bond with your pen pal deepens. It's as if you have a trusted confidant who truly understands you. Share your dreams, fears, and aspirations with them, knowing that your words are safe and cherished. During moments of reflection, take time to appreciate the art of penmanship and the beauty of the handwritten word. The curves and lines of each letter tell a story of their own, a unique expression of your personality and emotions. Let the act of writing become a meditative experience, a way to ground yourself in the present moment and pour your heart onto the page. In this guided meditation, recognize the power of words to connect hearts and minds. As you continue your pen pal journey, remember the importance of empathy, understanding, and compassion in your letters. Your words have the ability to uplift, inspire, and bring joy to your pen pal's life. Now, bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling grateful for the connection you've cultivated through this guided meditation. Know that the magic of pen pal communication is always available to you. Whenever you feel the need for connection, grab your pen, find some paper, and let your thoughts flow onto the page. As you conclude this meditation, take a deep breath and carry the spirit of the pen pal connection with you throughout your day. Embrace the beauty of this unique friendship, knowing that your words have the power to touch hearts and create lasting connections. Treasure the memories and lessons of this guided meditation, and let the magic of pen pal communication enhance your everyday experiences. When you're ready, open your eyes, ready to embrace the joy of pen pal communication and the incredible connections it can bring into your life. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video,